Hey there, everyone. Welcome to our guide on making your home's first impression unforgettable. We all know that feeling when you pull up to a house and think, wow, this place is gorgeous. It's that moment when the exterior of a home speaks volumes before you even step inside. You know what I'm talking about, that instant curb appeal. It's the combination of elements that make a home inviting and attractive at first glance. And guess what plays a huge role in that first impression? It's not just the house itself, but the pathway leading up to it. You got it, the driveway. The driveway is often the first thing people notice, and it sets the tone for the rest of the property. Choosing the right driveway material is a big decision. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about durability, maintenance, and how well it complements your home. It's an investment in your home's beauty, functionality, and value. A well-chosen driveway can significantly enhance your property's overall appeal and market value. Think of it as the welcome mat for your entire property. It's the first thing guests see and step on, so it should make a lasting impression. Whether you're building a new home or giving your current one a refresh, picking the perfect driveway is key. It's a crucial part of your home's exterior design. We're about to dive into the good, the bad, and the beautiful of popular driveway materials. From classic concrete to elegant pavers, we'll explore the options that can transform your driveway into a stunning feature. Let's get started. Concrete driveways are a popular choice due to their durability and versatility. They can be customized with various finishes and patterns to match your home's style. Brick pavers offer a timeless and elegant look. They are available in a range of colors and patterns, providing a classic charm that can enhance any home. Gravel driveways are cost-effective and provide excellent drainage. They can be a great option for rural or rustic homes, adding a touch of natural beauty. Asphalt driveways are known for their smooth surface and quick installation. They're a practical choice for those looking for a durable and low-maintenance option. Cobblestone driveways bring a sense of history and old-world charm. They are incredibly durable and can last for decades with proper care. No matter which material you choose, the right driveway can make a world of difference in your home's first impression. It's all about finding the perfect balance between beauty, functionality, and personal style. So take your time, explore your options, and invest in a driveway that will welcome you home with pride every day. Your home's first impression starts here.
Asphalt is a classic choice for a reason. Its sleek, smooth finish has been a staple in residential and commercial properties for decades. When you think of a driveway that exudes a timeless appeal, asphalt often comes to mind. It's that smooth, blacktop look we're all familiar with. The uniformity and clean lines of a freshly laid asphalt driveway can significantly enhance the curb appeal of any property. Asphalt is budget-friendly, especially compared to some other options. For homeowners looking to balance aesthetics and cost, asphalt provides an excellent solution. It offers a high-end look without the high-end price tag. Plus, installation is a breeze. The process is straightforward and can often be completed in just a day or two, depending on the size of the area. This means you can enjoy your new driveway almost immediately. Asphalt goes down quickly, meaning less disruption to your life. You won't have to deal with long construction periods or significant inconvenience. Your daily routine can continue with minimal interruption. It also requires minimal maintenance in the first few years. Regular sealing and occasional cleaning are usually enough to keep it looking pristine. This low-maintenance aspect is a significant advantage for busy homeowners. However, asphalt does have its downsides. Over time, it can develop cracks and potholes, especially if not properly maintained. These issues can detract from its appearance and functionality. It's not the most durable material. While it can last for many years with proper care, it doesn't have the longevity of some other paving options like concrete or pavers. Asphalt can crack over time, especially in harsh weather conditions. Extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold, can cause the material to expand and contract, leading to cracks and other damage. The dark color also absorbs heat, making it scorching hot in the summer. This can be uncomfortable for walking barefoot and may contribute to the material's deterioration over time. Despite these drawbacks, asphalt remains a popular choice for its classic look and cost-effectiveness.
If durability is your top priority, concrete might be your winner. This workhorse material is incredibly strong and can withstand heavy traffic. Concrete also offers design versatility. You can stamp it, stain it, or even add color to match your home's style. A well-maintained concrete driveway can last for decades, making it a worthwhile investment. On the downside, concrete is more expensive than asphalt upfront. Installation is also more time-consuming. Concrete can crack in extreme temperatures and repairs can be costly.
For a more rustic, natural look, gravel is a popular choice. Gravel driveways have a timeless charm and blend beautifully with landscaping. It's also the most affordable option, making it ideal for budget-conscious homeowners. Gravel is easy to install and requires minimal maintenance. Plus, it provides excellent drainage, which is a big plus in rainy climates. However, gravel does have its drawbacks. It can be difficult to shovel snow on gravel, and stones can scatter. Gravel driveways also require occasional raking and topping off.
Section 5. Pavers, Beauty and Durability. Pavers are like the jewelry of the driveway world. These individual units come in various materials, shapes and colors, allowing for endless design possibilities. Pavers are incredibly durable and long-lasting. They're also low maintenance and easy to repair. Simply replace individual pavers if needed. However, all that beauty comes at a price. Pavers are the most expensive driveway material. Installation is also labor-intensive, adding to the overall cost.
Section 6. Matching material to your needs. So how do you choose the best material for your driveway? It's all about your specific needs and priorities. Consider your budget, climate, and the overall style of your home. If you live in a cold climate, concrete or pavers might be a better choice than asphalt. If you're on a tight budget, gravel or asphalt are more affordable options. And if you're looking for a driveway with wow factor, pavers or stamped concrete can create a stunning entrance. Section 7, maintenance matters, keeping it beautiful. No matter which material you choose, proper maintenance is key to a long-lasting driveway. Asphalt needs to be sealed every few years to prevent cracking. Concrete benefits from regular cleaning and sealing to prevent stains. Gravel driveways need occasional raking and topping off, and pavers may require occasional sweeping and weed control. Section 8, budget talk investing in your property. Your driveway is an investment in your home's value and curb appeal. While it's important to be mindful of your budget, remember that choosing the cheapest option isn't always the best long-term solution. Think of it this way: a well-maintained, attractive driveway can actually increase your home's value. It's worth getting quotes from multiple contractors and weighing the pros and cons of each material before making a decision.
Section 9. Real stories, real driveways. I've seen firsthand the impact a new driveway can have on a home. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a welcoming entrance that reflects the homeowner's personality and style. A driveway is often the first thing people notice when they visit, and it sets the tone for the entire property. I remember working on a charming cottage that had a cracked and faded asphalt driveway. The driveway was in such poor condition that it detracted from the beauty of the home itself. The homeowners were passionate about restoring the charm of their cottage, and they knew that the driveway was a crucial part of that transformation. We replaced it with a beautiful gravel driveway lined with flowers, and it completely transformed the look of the property. The new driveway not only enhanced the visual appeal, but also added a touch of elegance and warmth. The flowers along the border created a picturesque scene that welcomed guests with open arms. In another project, we helped homeowners upgrade their concrete driveway with a stamped pattern and a colored border. This wasn't just a simple upgrade, it was a complete makeover that gave the driveway a unique and sophisticated look. The stamped pattern added texture and depth, while the colored border provided a striking contrast that made the driveway stand out. It added instant curb appeal and made the home look more polished and inviting. The homeowners were thrilled with the results, and they couldn't believe the difference it made. A well-designed driveway can truly elevate the overall appearance of a home, making it more attractive and welcoming to visitors. Whether it's a simple gravel path or an intricate stamped concrete design, the right driveway can make all the difference.
Section 10, curb appeal, the finishing touch. Remember, your driveway is an extension of your home's overall style. Don't be afraid to get creative And choose a material that complements your home's architecture and landscaping. Whether you prefer a classic, modern or rustic look, there's a perfect driveway material out there waiting to welcome you home. Now, go out there and create a driveway that makes you smile every time you pull in.